Nationwide outrage after the Nirbhaya gang rape case forced the government to take some tough measures, and now, after much deliberation, the Criminal Law Amendment Bill has been cleared by the Cabinet and is likely to be presented in Parliament soon. The final draft has put the age of consent at 16 and proposes strict measures against stalking and voyeurism. But will the government be able to build a consensus around the bill?
It was this people's movement that forced the government to make stricter laws on crimes against women. Now, after much dilly-dallying, the final draft of the Criminal Law Amendment Bill has been cleared by the Cabinet. The latest draft of the bill has brought back the age of consent to 16 from 18, proposed in the ordinance that's currently in effect. The bill also proposes an iron hand against stalkers and voyeurs, with repeat offenders facing non-bailable charges.
Cabinet, after discussing the recommendations, has in its wisdom approved the bill as recommended by the group of ministers.
But while the Cabinet has cleared the bill, it still has a long way to go, as political parties have already voiced their differences on several provisions. While the BJP says lowering the age of consent to 16 but keeping the juvenile age at 18 is a complete contradiction.
Very, very funny concept if it is so. I don't understand why there is a contradiction.
इसमें कई तरह के confusion और contradiction हैं. उसके बारे में संसद में पार्टी अपनी बात रखेगी, राय रखेगी.
The Congress party has defended the draft cleared by the Cabinet.
बदलता हुआ समाज में जब हम कोई बदलाव ले आते हैं और अगर समय पे अगर हम ठीक कदम नहीं उठाएंगे तो हम रह जाएंगे, कानून रह जाएगी, समाज आगे दौड़ते हुए चली जाएगी.
With the bill expected to be tabled in Parliament soon, the next challenge before the government is to build political consensus before the ordinance lapses on the 4th of April. Bureau Report, Times Now.